Breaking news coming in regard to gold prices that have gone through the roof. We're talking about 1 lakh per 10 grams of gold. This is the precious metal that shines. This is a fresh peak when it comes to gold, and investors are in fact saying there's going to be no respite when it comes to consumers, and that the prices could in fact go up even further. So of course gold prices hitting 1 lakh rupees for 10 grams of gold. This is the fresh peak when it comes to gold. Of course, gold prices have been nearing the 1 lakh rupee mark now for at least a week now. But of course, this is a new high when it comes to gold prices, which has gone completely through the roof. And investors are saying that the prices could go up due to global uncertainty. So let's get you the latest as far as gold prices in India are concerned. We're talking about gold prices there touching 1 lakh rupees for 10 grams of gold. So gold prices have in fact that dreaded time has come when it comes to buying gold here in India. Of course, the gold prices today, we're talking about soaring amid market turbulence, crossing that mark. And of course, gold prices have crossed 1 lakh for 10 grams of gold, as the yellow metal witnesses a record rally driven by uncertainties in the global market. So here are the prices when you have to go and buy, say, a gram of gold. In Delhi, it is going to cost you about 10,150 rupees, and that is the price that you will have to pay. In Mumbai, it's about 10,135. So is the case in Chennai and Bengaluru as well as Kolkata. So that is the latest that we have for you. My colleague Sakshi joining us. Sakshi, the gold is now as expensive as it is going to be extremely precious now. It has touched that 1 lakh rupee mark.
That's right, gold prices hitting 1 lakh rupees per 10 grams, a historic milestone there. And this, of course, is, remember, after including that 3% GST. So while investors are cheering on the precious metal continuing to hit a record high, remember there is no respite for consumers at large. So, of course, why is this happening? Now, NDTV has been speaking to economists, and we have seen consistently the US-China trade war concerns reflecting a safe haven demand. Remember, in times of uncertainty, investors flock towards gold as a safe haven, and therefore then we see the impact on the gold prices rising. So analysts really and brokerage houses divided on where gold prices are headed in the near term. Remember, if the trade war concerns in US and China and those trade war worries remain, then gold prices will continue to mount further if this uncertainty remains. However, if there is some sort of an easing, then of course the brokerage houses and experts believe in the near term we could see some easing. But for now, of course, gold prices hitting a record high, and remember there's just no respite for consumers ahead of Akshaya Tritiya in India. Also remember, of course, gold is considered auspicious to buy Akshaya Tritiya on April 30th, and ahead of Akshaya Tritiya this is happening. So of course consumers really are concerned with the prices rising.
Thank you so much, Sakshi, for getting us all those details that the price of gold is now going to be over 1 lakh rupees. Of course, this includes the GST, that will be included in how much it's going to cost you. Gold prices have surged over 26%, or by 20,800 for 10 grams of gold in the year 2025 so far. Thank you, Sakshi, for those details.